You're watching how to remove sound from videos on iPhone. Open the Photos app and select the video you want to mute. Tap Edit in the top right corner. The video editor will open with a timeline at the bottom. Look for the volume icon in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like a speaker. Tap this volume icon. A volume slider will appear. Drag the slider all the way to the left to reduce the volume to 0. You will see a mute option may appear. You can also tap the speaker icon again to toggle mute. The video is now silent. Tap Done in the bottom right. A menu will pop up asking you to save video or save video as new clip. Choose Save Video as New Clip to keep the original video with sound intact. This creates a new silent version saved in your photos library. The original video remains unchanged. If you choose Save Video, it will overwrite the original, so Save Video as New Clip is recommended. You can also use third-party apps like iMovie for more control. Open iMovie, create a project, import the video, tap the video clip in the timeline, tap the volume icon at the bottom, and drag the volume slider to 0, then export the project. The built-in Photos editor is the quickest method for simple muting. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.